Hey, this is the little sticky mount vacuum suction cell phone holder for your car. The brand did send this to me. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. This is set up for the MagSafe iPhone, but if you happen to have an Android, look, they give you this little magnetic ring right here. You just peel and stick it to the back of your phone, and then that now makes it compatible with this phone holder. These do not have a large footprint, but the big question is, do these actually stick? They do give you these wet wipes and dry wipes to go ahead and clean the surface off. All right, let's go ahead. We'll just clean off right here, clockwise to go ahead and tighten it down, counterclockwise to loosen it. Once you get the adhesive side down, then we're gonna go ahead and just turn it to the right, and that is on there, not going anywhere. And then we can go ahead and pop our phone on there. Of course, you got multiple angles. If you want to get, a little bit higher up, if you want to bring her down, you can go ahead and bring it down. When it's not in use, you just go ahead and push it down. Nice and slowly, you can go ahead and get this to release. Now it is sticky. We're gonna release it. There we go. And check this out. No residue on the dashboard. Look, it's still sticky. So you can wash this with a little bit of soap and water, let it dry, and then you can go ahead and reinstall it here. Or if you want to move it to another vehicle or another spot, you can do that as well. The thing I like about these is they're compact. They're super easy to install. You have a magnetic ring you can add to your Android, make it compatible with this. And they're going to give you that MagSafe magnetic ring for the back of your Android. So it's a great little system. I like it. I think they did a great job with it. It sticks. It's solid. No problems there. Definitely pick this one up. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.